According to the legend, an elderly widow in the Qing Dynasty invented Mapo Tofu because she has lots of pockmarks on her face, so people start calling the dish Mapo Tofu, which literally means pockmarked grandma's bean curd. Hello my foodies, it's me again, CiCi. Mapo Tofu is a classic Sichuan dish. It is spicy, it is hot, it is savory, and it has this really amazing numbing sensation. It's quite unique. It's definitely my type of good eats, and it's about to become yours too. Add the oil and Sichuan peppercorns. Cook over low heat until the aroma comes out for about 2 minutes. Discharge the peppercorns. Transfer in the ground pork and cook on high heat until they are lightly brown for about 5 minutes. Miss Chen's story started as a tragedy. Her husband died of a disease and she became very poor. Her friend tried to help her out occasionally, so they gave her some meat and tofu. The good thing is she has always been an amazing cook, so she created a brilliant dish with the donated ingredients, and later it became Mapo Tofu. Take out the ground pork and put aside. In the same pan with the remaining oil, we're going to add Sichuan pixian, fermented bean paste, and stir fry over high heat for about 2 minutes. Then add the ginger, garlic, and the white part of the scallions. Stir fry on high heat until the aroma comes out for about 1 minute. The story has a happy ending though, because she eventually opened a small shop and sold Mapo Tofu. And look at what happened to Mapo Tofu now. It became world famous. Everyone knows Mapo Tofu. Lastly, add the green part of the scallions. There are so many different ways to make tofu. What is your favorite tofu dish? Comment below and share with me. And for me, I love all kinds of tofu dishes. You can't go wrong with tofu. And to me, tofu is kind of like this blank canvas. Doesn't matter what kind of seasoning and sauce and ingredients you add to it. You add all these different colorful ingredients, colorful taste. It's just so amazing. I love tofu. Alright, so remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I'll see you again soon.